Welcome to Lingala Institute, lesson 59. Nazo yoka pongi te. I am not sleepy. Nazo yoka pongi. I am sleepy. Na lingi na lala. I want to sleep. Malili eza makasi. It is very cold. Mayi ya Malili, cold water. Mayi ya piyo, cold water. Mayi ya moto, hot water. Omesana na eloko, to be used to something. Mesana na yango, I am used to it. Omesana na yango, you are used to it. Amesana na yango, he or she is used to it. Omesana na yango, we are used to it. Omesana na yango, you are used to it. Amesana na yango, they are used to it. Luka Omesana nango, try to be used to it. Notice that this time I didn't say na yango, but I said nango. This is because in real life, people are more likely to say nango, which is a contracted form of na yango. Mesana nango, I am used to it. Thanks a lot. Please remember to like this lesson.